In today's video, we are going to be reviewing this guy, the Puffy Royal Hybrid Mattress. By the end of this video, you can expect to know the good, the bad, the ugly, who this mattress is for, and who it's not for, so that way you can make the most informed decision in your mattress buying journey. By the way, here at Sleepline, we offer unbiased reviews because we review just about every mattress on the market. So if this one doesn't seem like a good fit for you based on what your needs are, go ahead and check out one of our other videos or drop a comment below. We'll be happy to help point you in the right direction. Anyway, my name is Ethan. Let's dive in to the review. In today's video, we're first going to talk about the policies that come with the Puffy Royal Hybrid mattress. Then we're going to give you our first initial impressions of this mattress. And from there, we're going to go into reviewing this mattress across 5 distinct categories, with those categories being comfort, edge support, temperature regulation, motion isolation, and finally, value of the bed. We'll rate each category on a scale from 1 to 10 in terms of how good the bed is. And at the end of the video, we're gonna aggregate all of that together to give you a final score and let you know if this mattress is worth the money. By the way, if you get any value out of this video, if this helps you on your mattress purchase journey, please go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. And also, if you are looking for the most up-to-date pricing on this bed, we will have that linked below for you. First and foremost, let's talk a little bit about policies. So just like any other online mattress, Puffy's gonna ship for free right to your front door. You're also gonna get 101 nights to try the mattress in the comfort of your own home to make sure that it is in fact a good fit for you. If it's not, you can always just send it back and get a full refund, which is pretty cool. Puffy offers a lifetime warranty on their mattress. And one thing that's really nice is it doesn't prorate. So other brands might have a lifetime warranty, but often I'm skeptical of that because they prorate after 3, 5, 7 years. And what that means is after 3 years, the value of your warranty goes down. So if you have an issue, say you have a 3-year warranty and at year 5 you have an issue, well, you're only gonna get about 80% of the value of your bed back. So you're gonna be owing money to get a new mattress, which sucks. Good news is here, this doesn't prorate. It's a lifetime full replacement warranty, which is pretty awesome. And it also sits in line with just about any other bed you're gonna find. The biggest issue in a mattress that's gonna happen for warranty purposes and for comfort purposes too is it's gonna sag in the middle. And the industry standard is about 1.5 inches sag, equates to a full replacement for your mattress. Puffy, they're at 1.5 inches as well. And like we said, it's a full replacement lifetime warranty. So that's pretty cool. With all the boring policy stuff out of the way, let's jump into the bed and talk about the details. Oh, you thought I was kidding? No, I literally meant let's dive into the bed. So first impressions, their Cool Touch cover, what are they calling it? One second. Cool Touch quilted cloud cover. So their Cool Touch quilted cloud cover is notably cool to the touch. It's actually pretty nice, but just like any other cool to the touch cover, you hold your hand here and pretty quickly that coolness goes away. So then it becomes a question of, well, how well does this bed regulate your temperature throughout the night? And we'll dive into that later in the review. But before we do that, I want to talk about a few other notable things, like these handles. Most online mattress brands don't even include handles on their mattresses. And if they do, they're often for aesthetic purposes, just for photo and video to look good, but they don't actually work very well. What I mean is a lot of them are pretty flimsy, and when you lift the mattress, you get worried that it's gonna rip. Well, not the case here. Super sturdy. Okay, either I'm not very strong or these handles are great. I'm gonna tell you, these handles are great. I'm not the strongest guy, but if I did that with a lot of other online brands, those handles are ripping right off. Not the case here, and I really do like that. I also like the pattern. I guess that doesn't really matter, but I think it looks nice. Let's talk about the first category, with that being comfort. Puffy describes this mattress as being Ultra-Plush, and in our testing, we found that it was more along the lines of a medium to medium soft in feel. This bed is great for side sleepers of all sizes, okay for back sleepers, and not really recommended for stomach sleepers. And the reason is stomach sleepers need something a bit firmer than back sleepers, and back sleepers need something a bit firmer than side sleepers. The reason for that comes down to spinal alignment. So basically, as you're in a mattress, you need your spine to be in a neutral position. Otherwise, you're gonna get back pain. By the way, a classic sign of your mattress being too soft is gonna be lower back pain. Let's talk a little bit about the feel of this mattress. So this is not gonna be your typical hybrid mattress with that slow, sinky memory foam feel. There is memory foam in the bed, but it's further down. What they've actually done is they've added contouring foams up top, as well as gel foams and natural materials to create a mattress that doesn't really feel like a memory foam hybrid, but it also doesn't feel like a traditional mattress either. It sits somewhere in the middle, skewing a little bit closer to a traditional feel. And overall, it's gonna work for just about anybody. Now, if you do want that slow, sinky memory foam feel, you're not gonna find it here, but I'd encourage you to check out our review of the Sweet Night mattress. That bed is very foamy. If you like traditional beds, you're gonna be just fine here. While this bed does have a bit of a foam feel, it's gonna work great, like I said, for just about anybody, except those who are really on the hunt for a memory foam feel. In terms of comfort overall, we rate the Puffy Royal Hybrid a 9 out of 10. Let's talk about the next category, which is edge support. One of the issues with the older models of Puffy mattress was their edge support was often notably criticized because they weren't really doing anything for it. Well, now they've included a foam encasement around the entire perimeter of the mattress, which just gives you a little bit better edge support. In our testing, we found that it was not super effective, actually. It's the one area we got to knock the mattress because, as you can see here, I'm laying at the edge and I'm sliding off. Now, this is super important for couples because if there is bad edge support, you get less sleeping space, and now you're a little closer, which means you feel each other a little bit more, the bed sleeps a little bit hotter, and overall, it's just a worse experience. Now, this is not terrible edge support, but also it's not great either. There's a noticeable waterfall effect at the edge. So keep that in mind. If you're a larger sleeper and you need to be at the edge of the mattress, this is not gonna be a great pick for you. Now, I will say, anytime you have a mattress that's as thick as this thing is, with as much foam between you and the coil, your edge support is gonna suffer a little bit. And Puffy is no different. While this is an improvement over the previous mattress in the previous generation, it still is lacking. That's just the reality of having a mattress with a pillow top this thick. In terms of edge support, we find that the Puffy Royal Hybrid mattress comes in at about a 6.5 out of 10. Next up is temperature regulation. For those of you who sleep hot, you'll be happy to know that the Puffy Royal Hybrid mattress sleeps very cool. And that's because of a number of reasons. We already talked about the Cool to the Touch cover, which does a great job, but it's also very breathable as well. Beyond that, you have the 2 layers of wool and fiber, which allow the mattress to breathe significantly better than a foam layer would. And then it's a layer of gel foam as opposed to memory foam, which sleeps notably hotter. All that translates to a mattress that does sleep really, really cool, especially considering that my first impression was this mattress was gonna sleep pretty dang hot. So overall, I've been pretty happy with it. Anytime the mattress doesn't heat up and I don't have to wake up to kick my covers off and then bring them back on, it's a win for me. In terms of temperature regulation, we give the Puffy Royal Hybrid mattress a 8 out of 10. And that brings us to motion isolation, which is arguably for couples the most important category in this entire review. That's because there's nothing worse than waking up halfway through the night because your partner is tossing and turning, or vice versa. Almost all modern mattresses do a pretty great job of isolating your motion from your partner. Case in point right here, this glass of water, in case you didn't notice it, I came down onto the mattress pretty hard and it's still standing fine. The Puffy Royal Hybrid mattress does an exceptionally good job at motion isolation, even when compared to pretty much any other modern mattress on the market. And the reason for that is multifaceted. The first reason is most mattresses' coils are 8 inches tall. Here in the Puffy, they are 6 inches, which allowed them to put 2 more inches of foam, which helps increase the motion isolation in the bed. In addition to that, there's just a lot of foam in this bed. And because of that, you really aren't going to notice your partner getting in, getting out of bed throughout the night. And you can rest easy if you are the one who disturbs your partner, knowing that this mattress is gonna do a great job for you. You can see here, I'm flopping down on the mattress, I'm dropping a bowling ball, and you're really not seeing much motion in the cup at all. And the main motion you're seeing is slight tugging, only because of the cover. But even then, it's really, really minimal. And we were very, very satisfied with the overall performance of the Puffy Royal Hybrid in terms of motion isolation, so much so that it is going to receive a best-in-class rating in the hybrid category. The only thing that could have helped this bed perform even better in terms of motion isolation would be if it was an all-foam mattress. But taking the coil out comes with its own set of drawbacks, and realistically, they're not worth it. It already does an amazing job at isolating the motion, and because of that, we here at Sleepline give it a score of 9 out of 10. And that brings us to the final category, which is value of the bed. The Puffy Royal Hybrid mattress does have a lot of positives going for it. It's incredibly comfortable. It has great temperature regulation, and the motion isolation is amazing as well. In terms of drawbacks though, it's not gonna be the greatest in terms of edge support. Granted, that is because of how thick the pillow top is. The price point for a lot of people is not incredibly palatable. This mattress is on sale at the time of recording for $23.99. That's gonna put it a bit more expensive than what you might spend for a mattress on average, but it does have a lot going on for it. Now, Puffy, just like all the other online mattress companies, is currently running a sale on this mattress, but don't worry, they're always running a sale. The MSRP of this bed is closer, as they say, to $4,000, but you're never gonna see it listed for that much. It's pretty much always gonna be $23.99. Sometimes they include a couple free add-ins with the mattress when you purchase it, but to see the most up-to-date details, be sure to check the link in the description below. Also, if you have enjoyed watching this video, please go ahead, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to us. A huge portion of our audience is not subscribed, and we review plenty of different products, not just mattresses. Closing thoughts. This mattress is one of the best rated mattresses that we've reviewed all year, coming in at an aggregate score of 41 out of 50 possible points. That is going to put it in the upper echelon in terms of performance. The biggest drawback of this mattress, again, is going to be that edge support, and that may just be a deal breaker for larger couples. In addition to that, despite all the good things about this mattress, we don't recommend it for stomach sleepers and larger back sleepers. We also would recommend that you avoid this bed as well. For just about everybody else, especially side sleepers, this bed is going to be one of the best mattresses that you can buy. You're gonna love it. Thank you for watching this review. My name is Ethan, and for all things sleep, stick with us right here at Sleepline.